have to worry about our voices. Alright, so the setup is done. Each of you has a whole table. And what Brett and I talked about was doing 2 rotations of 3 in your classroom. So you'd have 3 groups.
I need a visual. My brain's not functioning. I know it'll make
Half
sense.
the tables rotate through 3 stations and the other half rotates
okay.
same stations.
That makes sense.
Because when Brett speaks, it really makes sense to everybody. But when I speak, it
My
doesn't.
brain's not focused.
Even,
No,
your,
it was
even your kids.
Your kids, I did those cards with them like 5,000 times.
Yeah.
And so I'm like, what does the word extinct mean? Like, what is that? What are we saying? And he comes over and he goes, what does extinct mean? And they go, endangered. And I'm like, I was like, what?
It was endangered. It was,
Yeah.
They were trying to get an endangered animal, and I was like, so an animal that's almost extinct is what? Oh, endangered.
I said the
And
exact
she literally
same
said the
thing.
exact
Like
same
2 seconds before. I was like,
Trust me, I understand.
oh!
And the funny thing was that you're like, okay, well, so I guess I just need to talk like this. And the next one you did that way, they got it right the first
So I
time.
started talking in a Brett voice.
Maybe it is just dropping it octave makes all the difference. I
I
don't
told her,
know.
I said, maybe they hear a woman's voice and immediately tune it out because it
Because it's
sounds
mom.
like a teacher.
Because I'm like, Mom, I
And
don't wanna listen.
the moment it changes, oh,
Oh, it's right in the water.
I heard your question this time.
So, nothing to do. Everything's here, and then here's your extra stuff. Because you'll have wet sand, you'll need to switch out, bring salt, and extras of these. And I think we have everything. So, 3 things we were going to do. The first thing, let me show you these. This is really cool. We're going to put a card. This goes with what I just did, that video. Those are the secrets of products. And when they made these to the infant builder, just like this, it was way too high for them. They're not sequences at all. So that's why I thought if we make the video, it kind of walks them through each step of how to and they can actually see right away what the work they're doing, whatever they thought was important. So hopefully I'll have this video ready for you guys tomorrow to use, and I'm just going to send it out to everybody. I'm going to, if you don't mind, sit at your computer and try to get that all together to record this. Do you have a Yahoo account, a Yahoo account, or a Gmail? Forgot where it is. You can email it to yourself. Then it'll be on your computer and I can see it. Email it to yourself personally and then open up your email and say, these are pretty cool too. It's like a sort. So
Where did you find these?
these are in the actual paper. Y'all should be using your read text.
Yeah, oh,
Yeah.
they're in a
These
different.
are in the beginning of the actual
teaching
lesson.
lessons.
Why I couldn't find them on here. I was like, oh, where she got this stuff?
And some of these things make more sense because they didn't really get it the first time, so it's hard to read.
Some of the reteach stuff is like,
Yeah, if they didn't get it the first time.
It's
they really
it's
didn't
neat.
teach
It's
it.
like at a mastery level. It's kind of like that
you already
changes
know.
into the to the ecosystem.
Right.
Like I don't feel like that lesson.
I don't know that that went as well as I wanted it.
So for the last class, I found a National Geographic short video. It was like 3 minutes of migration, and it said everything that it said in the reading whatever about deforestation, how 80% of the population passed, all this kind of stuff. So we talked about so what did people do? So we put it I wrote down we made our little illustration of human impacts of human punching the globe.
Yeah.
Okay, so what have they done? So we came up with a list of things that people were doing. Then I gave them the paper you had of these are the events.
Yeah.
So we took an event as okay, what are people doing? Okay, they're constructing a bridge. So write down construction. That's what they're doing. Okay, so then now what's going to happen because of that? So then we talked about one thing at a time, and then that really seemed to make more sense than having them draw the map and even the guiding questions. It didn't really work.
Yeah.
Because again, that was mastery, and then the
That was
map
rough.
was different than the map of them that we could find. I don't feel like it really got the whole point across.
Well, especially with these low kids, it was
Yeah, they need something
honestly,
tangible.
if they just came away knowing what these words meant that we were talking about, I was so impressed. Like
Well, considering the start they didn't.
they had no idea what
You
words
know,
we were
I
talking
had
about.
my little Leslie that's in your group.
Yeah, I need to
part-
set my knees are swollen. Sorry.
Please realize that she did this with me before she ever came here. Because we started this in my class, so she'd already seen this.
She would have had nothing to call.
She's very ESL, and I think there might be some.
Delayed
Uh-oh.
because of it.
I'm low battery. It's okay. I need to be careful. Anyway, 'cause that's all.
I'm gonna dump over it.
I know, but just in case. I asked, she looked at me and she goes, increase means go down. Right?
Oh their gosh.
Increase and
And on that map,
increase
north and
decrease.
south, they did not know which direction was north. How do you not know
Up.
that? How
Up.
can you not know looking at a map which
and-
way is
and-
north?
The third group I sent you does have a couple of my, like, I think you sent two sped kids out of that.
Yeah.
But I kept the other ones, thank goodness.
That
you
one at the
Christopher.
end, I almost busted out laughing. I don't know what she said that was so hilarious. I can't remember now, but she said something, and then she was like, and I was like, this, oh my god,
I still don't know.
you're crazy. Okay, so for tomorrow, what do y'all think? This we're thinking is going to take about 20 minutes,
Okay.
at least 30 probably.
More
3, yeah, 10, 10, 10. That's gonna take 20 minutes, but I think it's good, like
To do it that
valuable.
way.
I really think it is. And then this could take another. And this, I don't really like how they have more than one. And look, there's 3 tweezers, but one hot plate. I don't know how they did this like this.
Mhm.
But if you just had one of each of these, and then they sorted these under,
By the separate
By
one.
the-
that would make more sense to me.
Is it because they're supposed to use the hot plate in only one place?
Yes,
And so there's only,
that's
so,
what I gathered.
You think so?
because the salt and sand, you're
Salt
gonna,
and water, sand and water.
because if you do salt and sand, you're gonna have to dissolve the salt.
Sand and water you can use
You
a
can do
filter.
filter.
Right, that one makes sense. So then there's a filter, so it,
But you have to dissolve and then filter.
so
I guess
aluminum
would be that
nails
one.
and iron nails, so you would just use a magnet.
Salt and water the only way is with a hot
And then
plate.
the peanuts of each tweezer.
What's
Just
this one?
macaroni and boiling water.
Just
Salt and
strainer.
sand you would do.
So they wanna pull in
You have to
that
mix
versus the
first,
soup.
but then you do. But it says beef.
Yeah, that was confusing. I really should say add
Don't let me
water.
burn that whole thing. Craft stick? I mean, really?
What do you do with a craft stick?
Like
Spaghetti
white
and
craft
meatballs.
stick with on?
Oh,
I'm gonna get the
push.
spaghetti on a stick
But then why are there?
and pull it out.
I thought I was
Yeah,
gonna.
the
I,
meatballs.
and if
It's-
I was gonna.
It's gonna come right out.
I was
yeah,
gonna-
first time. No,
I was gonna
well,
flick it
that's gonna
with
be
the
actually that's gonna be a
I was
four.
gonna flick the meatball with the craft stick and just roll it across.
I don't know.
the
I
plate.
think we should take out these and just do one of each thing, and then they just sort them underneath. I think that's easier. I don't know.
Less is
Whatever
more
y'all
at this
wanna do.
point. I don't need to confuse them
Or
anymore.
we can just not use these at all. Do y'all have another sort already ready?
Because nothing in their
But if
reteach
you
was
like
a
it,
sort.
then we can do it. If you don't like it, we don't have
I would
to.
say it was
But if you already have, well, we'd have to go up there and run them right now. 13 copies, no, 18 copies. I mean, I would say every kid. To have their tea off.
So for this, envisioning every kid gets their own and then puts in there.
Yeah.
How it would work.
we're still good. That's it.
Damn. Once we did it that way, of like the humans touching what we got. But I'm like, oh, it was very difficult. Was it very strenuous for did it go kind of quick?
It was not too bad.
Because it goes back to my kids not being really good about what happens if you change the food chain.
Oh no, mine.
Is he gonna be able to see me if I do
See,
this?
my kids are mostly
Not right now. I can't.
Can you see me now? Can you see me now?
The phone can.
Oh!
You shook the table or the floor.
All I did was pick this up. Okay, so now that all of the water has boiled out and evaporated, we can see that what's left inside the beaker is the salt. So now we have separated the mixture of all 4 of its contents, and all we're left with is salt. Alrighty, thank you.
Stop.